Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best budget gaming earbuds available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the SoundPats Air 3 Deluxe HS wireless earphone. One of the first things that caught my attention with the SoundPats Air 3 Deluxe HS was their high-res audio certification. If you're not familiar with high-res audio, it refers to audio files that have a higher quality than standard MP3s or streaming services, allowing for richer, more detailed sound. The next standout feature of these earphones is the 14.2mm large dynamic driver, which contributes to their exceptional audio quality. This driver is larger than what you'll typically find in many other wireless earbuds, and it makes a big difference in terms of sound performance. It delivers powerful, deep bass while maintaining clear and balanced mids and highs. A feature that I quickly grew to love is the in-ear detection. The Air 3 Deluxe HS automatically starts playing music when you insert the earbuds and pauses when you take them out. It's a small detail, but one that makes using the earphones much more intuitive. It's the kind of convenience you didn't know you needed until you experience it. The playtime is another area where these earbuds excel. With up to 5 hours of listening on a single charge, and the included charging case offering 3 additional charges, I can enjoy up to 20 hours of total playtime without worrying about running out of battery during a long commute or travel day. At number 2 is the QCY Mellow Buds Pro ANC Bluetooth 5.3 earphones. When it comes to sound quality, the QCY Mellow Buds Pro certainly don't disappoint. They are high-res audio certified, which means they can reproduce high-definition sound with all the richness and detail that you'd expect from premium audio equipment. With most regular wireless earbuds, you can get good sound, but these bring out the deep bass, crisp highs, and full mid-range that make listening a truly immersive experience. The in-ear detection feature is one of those things that you don't realize how much you need until you use it. With these earbuds, playback automatically pauses as soon as you take them out of your ears. I'm a big fan of long battery life, and the QCY Mellow Buds Pro truly deliver in this department. With Bluetooth 5.3, I'm not only getting a stable and fast connection, but I also don't have to worry about frequent recharges. The earbuds have an impressive 34-hour battery life, which means I can use them all day long without thinking about plugging them in. Even with the ANC running, I never feel like I'm running out of juice halfway through the day. And when I do need to charge, the process is quick, so I'm back up and running in no time. At number 3 on our list is the basus Bowie M2's ANC earphone. One of the standout features of the basus Bowie M2s is the 48 decibels active noise cancellation. Now, I've used several noise-canceling headphones in the past, but this one really impressed me. The 48 decibels ANC is a game-changer, capable of blocking out a wide range of ambient noises. Whether it's the hum of an airplane engine, the chatter in a crowded cafe, or even wind noise when you're outdoors. The immersive spatial audio is one of the most exciting features of the basus Bowie M2s. This feature creates a 3D soundstage, whether you're listening to music, watching TV shows, or gaming. If you've ever used high-end headphones with spatial audio, you'll understand how it transforms your entire listening experience. When it comes to wireless earphones, a strong and stable connection is essential. The basus Bowie M2s are equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, which offers several improvements over previous versions. First, it increases signal penetration, ensuring you maintain a stable connection even in areas with lots of interference. Battery life is always a concern with wireless earphones, but the basus Bowie M2s provide more than enough juice for all-day use. With 30 hours of battery life, you can listen to music or take calls without constantly worrying about recharging. Moving up at number 4 is the Ugreen HiTune T6 ANC TWS wireless earbuds. When it comes to wireless earbuds, one of the most important factors is connectivity. The Ugreen HiTune T6 comes with Bluetooth 5.3 technology, which provides a faster and more stable connection compared to older Bluetooth versions. I immediately noticed how quickly these earbuds paired with my iPhone 15 Pro Max once I opened the case. As someone who values great sound quality, I was eager to test the high-res audio and LDAC support. The 10mm diameter speaker drivers deliver an outstanding listening experience, with crystal clear treble, a vibrant mid-range, and a rich, powerful bass that adds depth to every track. If you're like me and tend to forget to charge your devices, you'll appreciate the 30-hour battery life of the Ugreen HiTune T6. With such an impressive playtime, I didn't have to worry about running out of battery during long commutes or extended listening sessions. The charging case provides additional power, so even when I did forget to charge the earbuds, I had a backup ready to go. Whether you're working out, commuting, or caught in an unexpected rainstorm, the IPX5 water resistance rating means these earbuds are built to handle sweat and light rain. At number 5 is the Oppo Enco Air 3 earphone. When I first laid eyes on the Oppo Enco Air 3, I was immediately impressed by their modern, minimalistic design. The earphones are made from plastic, but don't let that fool you, the build feels solid and durable. The plastic construction gives them a lightweight feel, but they don't compromise on quality. One of the things I was most eager to test was the sound quality. I can confidently say that the Oppo Enco Air 3 earphones deliver an exceptional listening experience. Thanks to the hi-fi stereo technology, the sound is rich, clear, and surprisingly deep for such compact earphones. With Bluetooth 5.3, the pairing process was quick and seamless. I've had no issues with lag or connection drops, even when moving around or stepping away from my device. The enhanced range of up to 10 meters also means I can leave my phone on the table and walk around the room without worrying about the connection cutting out. As for the battery life, I've been really impressed. The 300 mAh battery lasts me through multiple hours of listening without needing a recharge. And when I do need to charge them, it's super convenient thanks to the charging case. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.